A new dawn, the ONPASSIVE Revolution. The world is changing, fast. Every day, new challenges and opportunities arise, pushing businesses to adapt and innovate like never before. Businesses must adapt to survive. In this fast-paced environment, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. Companies need to be agile, responsive, and forward-thinking to thrive. ONPASSIVE is here to help. It's a revolution. With its cutting-edge technology and innovative solutions, ONPASSIVE is transforming the way businesses operate, making them more efficient and effective. A new way of thinking. ONPASSIVE encourages creative problem-solving and fosters a culture of innovation, enabling businesses to stay ahead of the competition. A better way to do business. ONPASSIVE empowers entrepreneurs. It provides them with the tools and resources they need to succeed in today's competitive market. It gives them the tools to succeed. No more struggling, no more uncertainty, just real results. With ONPASSIVE, businesses can achieve their goals and celebrate their successes. This is the power of ONPASSIVE. It harnesses the latest technological advancements to drive business growth and success. It's time to join the movement. Embrace the revolution. Be part of a community that is shaping the future of business. The future of business is here. With ONPASSIVE, the possibilities are endless. Step into the future and transform your business today. But before we dive right in, please remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. It would help me out a lot. Thanks. Breaking the mold with ONPASSIVE's innovative spirit. This is where the future begins. ONPASSIVE is built on a foundation of relentless innovation. It's not just about keeping up with the times, it's about setting the pace. It uses the latest technology, including cutting-edge artificial intelligence and advanced machine learning. This isn't just hype, it's real power transforming the way we do business. Take the Smart Business solution, for example. It's a true game changer. It automates mundane tasks and optimizes complex workflows, freeing up valuable time for entrepreneurs. This allows them to focus on what truly matters: innovation, strategy, and growth. ONPASSIVE is always evolving, always improving. It's about staying ahead of the curve and giving users the competitive edge they need. Innovation is in its DNA. It's not just a part of what ONPASSIVE does, it's the core of its existence, driving every decision and every breakthrough. Winning strategies: how ONPASSIVE outshines the competition. ONPASSIVE's strategies are unique and innovative. They are designed to win and ensure long-term success. One key strategy is a strong focus on community engagement. ONPASSIVE is built on teamwork and collaboration. Another key aspect is affordability. ONPASSIVE is accessible to all, regardless of their budget or financial constraints. This levels the playing field and promotes inclusivity. It gives everyone a fair chance to succeed. ONPASSIVE also prioritizes exceptional support. Users get the help they need, exactly when they need it. This fosters trust and builds long-lasting loyalty. With ONPASSIVE, everyone can thrive. Section 4. A force for good. ONPASSIVE's impact on the world. ONPASSIVE is more than just a business, it's a movement, a force for good. It empowers individuals, it uplifts communities. ONPASSIVE is about creating a better world through ethical business practices, through sustainable growth. This is a company with a conscience. It's about making a difference, leaving a positive mark. ONPASSIVE inspires change. It drives progress. Section 5. The future is now. ONPASSIVE's enduring legacy. ONPASSIVE is the future of business. It's here to stay. Its legacy will be one of empowerment, of innovation, of positive change. It will be remembered for its values, its commitment to excellence, its dedication to its community. ONPASSIVE is more than a company, it's a vision, a belief in a better future, a future we can all build together. Section 6. Join the movement. Be a part of the ONPASSIVE revolution. The ONPASSIVE revolution is here. Are you in? This is your chance to be a part of something bigger, to make a real difference. Take the first step. Learn more about ONPASSIVE. Explore the possibilities. This could be the start of something amazing. The future is waiting. Don't get left behind. Join the ONPASSIVE Revolution today. For more information about ONPASSIVE, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.